Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and tapping on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And another code, which is *#4636###. So here we are in the testing mode, where we can check the phone information like the email number, phone number, data network type, signal strength, etc. Of course, you will be able to see this information if you've got your SIM card inserted. Here you can also run ping test, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can, for example, enable data connection or disable it, and view service dialing numbers. We've got also Wi-Fi information, so for example, we can check the status and the network state SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let me go back and let me show you another code, which is *##225###. And here we've got the calendar information. So basically we should have here events gathered in one place, some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and another code, which is *##426###. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and another code for the battery information, which is *##6485###. And here we are in the charging and battery information, where you can check whether the battery is charging, whether it is fast charging or not, in what kind of condition your device's battery is, and the exact level. So if you've got some kind of problems with, for example, displaying the proper percentage, or you feel that something is wrong with your battery, you can check it right here. Let's go back, and the last code, which is *##4Os. And here we've got the technical information about our device. So for example, the model, the baseband version, and both email numbers again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.